Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about visualization of basic graph using Python. So what is a graph? A graph is a set of vertices and edges. It is written as J equals to V comma E, where V is a set whose elements are called vertices and E is a set of two elements of vertices whose elements are called edges. So let us start. As you can see, I have included the necessary libraries which is related to this. They are networkx as nx, numpy as np, matplotlib as plt. Also make sure you have added pip to your environment variable path. So for visualization of a graph, first we have to create a proper graph. So let us make our first graph. Okay, which is A. We are naming our graph A is equals to nx dot graph. Okay, G should be capital. How we are making it? A is equals to nx dot graph. So command for creation is nx dot graph. Here nx stands for networkx. Okay, networkx is a Python language software package for creation, manipulation, and study of structure and function of complex networks. So here NX stands for network. Now our graph is created, but it does not have any edges, vertex, nodes. So we are gonna add them. What is the command to add them? So add node. A dot add node, and we are adding first node here. Same as this, we can add some more. A dot add node second, A dot add node third, A dot add node fourth, A dot add node fifth. Okay, so you can add as many nodes as per your requirement. Now if you want to see the number of nodes your graph have, you can use the command A dot nodes. Okay, the name of your graph dot nodes. So here we can see the number of nodes. Okay, so for completing the graph, we have to add edges. The command for adding them is what? The name of our graph dot add. What we are going to add? Edge. So edge 1, 2. Okay, I want to add edge between 1, 2. So in brackets, we are going to write what? We write the pair of vertex which you want to connect through an edge. So we are adding some more edges. A dot add edge 1, okay, no, 2, 3. A dot add edge 3, 4. A dot add edge. Okay, so what extra node? Okay, 1, 5. Let us connect them also. And A dot add edge 1, 3. Let us connect them. Okay, so now if we want to see how many edges we have in our graph, use the command A dot edges. Okay, so here we can see 1, 2, 1, 5, 1 2 1 5 1 3 2 3 3 4 and 4 5. So finally our first graph is created. Now let us see how it looks. For that we will write nx dot draw. We are drawing our graph. The name is A. Okay, the graph is drawn. Now to actually see it, we will call a function that is plt dot show and this. Okay, so here we have our graph. But we can see that there's not labeled. We cannot see the label of ages. So for solving this problem, we have a command, and that is let us write that command nx dot draw the name of graph, comma with labels, okay, is equals to 1. So now let us see plt dot show. Okay, so here we can see 1 2 3 4 5. Now the graph is labeled. Okay, let us move forward. Okay, some of you may not like this blue color of the graph, so you can change the color of graph also, and that is by the command nx dot draw the name of your graph, comma with labels equals to 1, comma node color. Okay, node color, what color you want to give? Okay, let us write something like yellow. Why? And now let us see if color changes or not. So here you can see the color is changed. You can also apply red color, blue color, or whatever you want. So this problem is solved. Okay, so what if we want to add one more age to this graph? So we have a command that is one more age. But how can we add? Let us see. Okay, that is A, name is A dot add edge. We are adding an extra edge. So let's see what happens. And let's see t dot show. Okay, we have not drawn the graph. Okay, nx draw A and now plt dot show. So here you can see that one more vertex is created and the edge is also created which you want to create, and it is created automatically. So this result means we can also create a graph without adding vertices manually. So let us try. Let us make a new graph. Okay, so what name we should give? Let us give edge. Edge equals to nx dot graph. Okay, so let us add some edges. Edge dot add edge 1 comma 2, edge dot add 2 comma 3, h dot add h 3 comma 4, and the last one which is 4 comma 5. Okay, so edges have been made. Here you can see that we have not added any vertex node. Okay, so let us draw the graph. Nx dot draw, the name is h. Okay, plt dot show. Let us see how it looks. So here we have our graph. Okay, so you can see our graph is made perfectly without adding vertices. So you can do it. Now we are seeing that we are just making simple graphs, and you may think that how to make this process short. So for that purpose, by default, simple graphs can be drawn using inbuilt function. Okay, so you don't have to write all these lines again and again. So let us see what are those functions. So first we will create path graph. Okay, you all know path graph has n vertices and n minus 1 edges, and it is a connected graph. So what is the command? Let us name it p is equals to nx dot path graph. Number of vertices, let us give it 6. And now let us draw. Nx dot draw, the name is p. Let us mark it with labels. With labels. Okay. Oh, so there is a problem in this. Wrong. It is the nx dot draw, the name comma with labels and is equals to 1. Now let us see how it looks. Plt dot show, and here it is. So you can see our path graph with total number of 6 nodes, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. I started with 0. Okay, so let us try another graph with different number of vertices. So let us try cyclic graph. Okay, so C equals to nx dot cycle. You have to write cycle and graph. Let us give number of vertices equals to 8. Okay, now draw it. Nx dot draw C comma with labels equals to 1. Okay, plt dot show what it is. Oh, so here we have our cyclic graph. Okay, you can see a cycle with 8 nodes, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. I started from 0. So you can see our complete graph. Okay, now let us make a fully complete graph, and the process is k equals to nx dot complete and graph. Number of vertices, say 9. Okay, let us draw it. Nx dot draw, the name is k. Let us see. Plt dot show how it looks. Okay, so here every node is connected to every other node. It is a complete graph. Okay, we can make it more dense by just increasing the number of vertices. Let us take an example. So again, k equals to nx dot complete graph. Now this time increase the number of vertices, say 16, and nx dot draw this, which is equals to k. Okay, let us label it also this time with labels equals to 1. So there is a problem here. The name, okay, so it is a capital K. Okay, so nx dot draw k comma with labels equals to 1. So here we have, now let us see. Okay, so it is more dense. We have our more dense graph. So I hope you understand the concept. So this was all about visualization of graph using Python. Hope you like it. Thank you for watching this video. Stay home, stay safe.